Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, make sure your Dyson V8 is unplugged and turned off. This is crucial for your safety. Start by removing the battery. Locate the battery release button on the back of the vacuum. Press the button and slide the battery out. If you encounter any resistance, gently wiggle it to free it. Next, let's focus on the filters. The Dyson V8 has two filters, one located at the top of the motor and another at the back. To access the top filter, simply twist it counterclockwise and pull it out. For the back filter, press the release button and pull it out. Now, it's time to clean the filters. Rinse them under cold water until the water runs clear. Avoid using any detergents or soaps, as these can damage the filters. Allow them to air dry for at least 24 hours before reinserting them. While the filters are drying, take this opportunity to clean the vacuum's interior. Use a soft cloth to wipe down the inside, removing any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will help maintain the vacuum's performance. Once the filters are dry, it's time to replace them. Insert the top filter by aligning it with the slot and twisting it clockwise until it clicks into place. For the back filter, simply slide it back in until you hear a click. Now, let's install the new battery. Align the battery with the slot and slide it in until it clicks. Make sure it's securely in place. If you find that you don't have the necessary tools or prefer professional assistance, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This means you can have your Dyson serviced without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just a simple, convenient solution. Before you start using your vacuum again, check that everything is securely in place. Turn on the vacuum and test it to ensure it's working properly. If you notice any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a professional diagnosis without obligation. We can provide a quote before any repair work is done, ensuring you know what to expect. In summary, replacing the battery and filters on your Dyson V8 is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance its performance. Regular maintenance, including cleaning the filters and interior, will prolong the life of your vacuum. If you need assistance, our services are just a call away, making it easy to keep your Dyson in top shape. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.